So I'm getting ready to hook up my mill, and I don't have a cover for the reverse and drum switch here, so I'm going to go ahead and 3D print one. So this is a discontinued part from Mitch Toyo, the bezel clamp here, so I 3D printed that also. Okay, well here it is all printed out, and I just took the outside dimensions, added a bezel around the edge, recessed it for the wires in the back, and added a sleeve in case I over tighten the screw to prevent it from cracking. That's it. I'm happy with it. The logo was just for fun, but it didn't really come out, so oh well.